Do you wonder if there is any difference between so long as and as long as? Yes, there is difference between them, and I'll show you the exact difference in this video. There is also a time when we can use them interchangeably in a sentence. In other words, they mean the same thing in a way. We can use them interchangeably when placing condition in a sentence. So, both of them are used to place condition in a sentence. When the sentence has to do with condition, you can use so long as or as long as. Now, the first 4 sentences here have to do with condition. Let's look at them first before we talk about the other uses of as long as. 1. You can borrow my laptop, blank, you return it tomorrow. This sentence means that you can borrow my laptop if only you will return it tomorrow. So this is about condition. You can borrow my laptop so long as you return it tomorrow. Anywhere you can use only if, so long as, and as long as can also be used. Only if. 2. I don't mind helping you, blank, you tell me the truth. Here we have the condition for this to happen. I will only help you if you tell me the truth. So this is the condition for me to help you. So I don't mind helping you so long as you tell me the truth. 3. She can stay here, blank, she keeps the place clean. This is the condition for her to stay here. She can only stay here if she keeps the place clean. She can stay here as long as she keeps the place clean. 4. We will support the project, blank, everyone agrees. This is a condition for us to support the project. Condition. We will support the project so long as everyone agrees. So we will support the project only if everyone agrees. Now let's talk about other functions of as long as. As long as can be used to talk about length. Length of something. Example, the bridge is blank the river. Here we are talking about the length of the bridge. So the bridge is as long as the river. This is about the length of the river. 6. I waited blank I could before leaving. This sentence is talking about the duration that I waited. So as long as is also used to talk about duration of time. I waited as long as I could before leaving. This is about the duration of time that I waited. 7. My skirt isn't blank yours. Here we are talking about the size of my skirt. So, as long as is also used to talk about size of something. Okay? My skirt isn't as long as yours. 8. The meeting lasted twice blank yesterday's meeting. Here we are comparing yesterday's meeting with the current one. So if yesterday's meeting lasted for 30 minutes, for instance, we are saying that the current meeting, which is being talked about, lasted twice the time. So this is about comparison. In other words, as long as is also used to talk about comparison. The meeting lasted twice as long as. I hope you got the explanations. Number 9 is for you. Which sentence is correct? A. The rope is so long as the cable. B. The rope is as long as the cable. C. Both are correct. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next grammar lesson.